Hi, I'm Miss Ann at Amazement Square, and I'm so happy to see you. I wanted to let you know about our Think and Tink kits that we have available for purchase through the museum. These are STEM-based fun activities that you can do at home all by yourself. The first one I'd like to tell you about today is our History Exploration Kit. If you like history, this is the one for you. And some of the things that you'll make with this kit are a real beeswax candle, just like they used long ago. Most of the time now, we just flip a light switch and we have some light, but long ago, people had to use candles all the time, except when it was bright daylight out. So you can make your own old-fashioned, real candle out of beeswax. The other thing, my friend Miss Rachel, who knows all about history, told me about this. Now we always use plastic. We use Ziploc bags, we use plastic wrap. Everything that we have with our food, we wrap it up in plastic. And I'm sure you've heard that there's a lot of controversy these days about the amount of plastic we use. Here's an idea if you want to go back in history to the way things used to be done. This is waxed fabric that you can use to wrap up your food. I have my sandwich in here. You just take it and you open it up. The waxed fabric keeps it nice and fresh, and I'm all ready to eat my lunch. You can even use this to cover up a bowl of leftover spaghetti or anything else that you're putting in your refrigerator or when you're packing your lunch. So let's take a look at what's in this kit. Well, we first got our instruction booklet. Our Amazement Square Anywhere instruction booklet has all of the instructions that you need step by step to make each of the projects. It gives them interesting facts. And in this kit, there are also a couple of games that you can learn how to play from long ago. And as always, our fun Scorpy comic book at the end. So let's see. Oh, here is our wax for the candles. There is enough wax to make 4 candles with this kit. And that's if you want to make the tall one like I did. If you like to make short, stubby candles, you could cut them shorter and make even more of them. But you can see how the wax looks when it's in the sheet, and the instructions will tell you what to do. There are wicks, which are special kind of string with a wax coating that we'll use for the inside of the candle because you have to have something to light. You can't just light the wax. There's another piece of wax that is also 100% beeswax, made by bees, just like we have here at the museum. And this is the wax piece that you will use with the fabric pieces that are in here. Each kit comes with a variety of fabrics, and there's enough that you can make 4 different wax wraps that you can save and rinse off and use over and over and over again to wrap up your food. And as I promised, there are a couple of these old-fashioned games from long ago, and you have them all printed out with instructions and the game boards that you need to play and the pieces that you can cut out to use as markers. So you can see there's quite a bit of history packed into this little bag. If you're interested in ordering this one, click on the link below and you can go to our webpage where you can find all 4 of our Think and Tink kits and the 3 different ways that you can get them into your own hands. One way, you can come to the museum and pick it up yourself, or for a small fee, we can have it mailed to you, and we can also, for a small fee, have someone from the museum hand deliver it right to your house if you live within a 10-mile radius of the museum. So I really think that if you take a look at the different kits that we have, there's probably at least one that you would like. If you want the history one, you know which one to look for on the webpage. Have a great day, and I hope you have fun with our Think and Tink kits.